In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Zendesk email notifications. This is a handy skill if you're looking to streamline communication within your Zendesk setup and want to focus on more direct channels. Disabling these notifications can help reduce clutter in your inbox and ensure that only the most important emails reach you and your team. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Zendesk Admin Center. This is where you'll manage all of your settings and configurations, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Objects and Rules section. This area is key, as it houses all the triggers that control how notifications and other automated actions are managed within your Zendesk account. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to locate those email notifications you want to disable. Specifically, you're looking for any triggers responsible for sending email alerts to agents. A trigger you might see listed here could be something like, "Notify all agents of received request." These triggers are what automate the sending of notifications following specific actions or conditions within your support tickets. Once you've identified the trigger you wish to disable, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a three-dot menu, sometimes referred to as an ellipsis. Click on this menu for more options. From the drop-down list, you'll want to select Deactivate. By doing so, you're effectively turning off this particular trigger, meaning it will no longer send out emails as it did previously. This can be particularly beneficial if the notifications from this trigger were proving to be more of a distraction than a help. But wait, don't stop there just yet. It's important to be thorough. You'll want to review other triggers that might be sending emails to agents. Go through your list of triggers and keep an eye out for any others that might be sending unnecessary notifications. If you find any, simply apply the same process to deactivate them. It's all about ensuring your team's inbox remains as organized and efficient as possible. Disabling these triggers doesn't delete them, so you have the flexibility to reactivate them whenever ready in the future. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your communication needs. Whether you're part of a small team or a larger operation, customizing your notification settings can make a world of difference in managing workflows and maintaining focus. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled email notifications from Zendesk triggers. Remember, these changes ensure that your communication remains clear and your inbox clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.